Okay, so welcome to Rate My Gadget. Maybe you've got one of these little things and you want to protect it from one of these little things. So basically, you don't want a plug like this being gnawed on by puppies or pulled at by toddlers. So you'll be needing one of these, which is basically a box cover, goes over the top, leads come out of the bottom, and it means that the plug is protected. I'm going to be putting mine upside down so the leads go up instead of down, so they're out of reach a little puppy. And this little thing I'm going to show you how to put on. So basically the box itself is a hinge box, goes over the top. Now the back plate that you can see there is where you have to put that behind the plug, and then the leads come out of the bottom there. It's a pretty simple fit in which that square box goes behind, and then the plugs themselves will just be going through that hole. Obviously you're working with electricity, so please ensure that you do isolate the power source at the circuit board. Now, of course, if you are unsure, please seek electrical professional advice. Do not try and do this on your own because you'll be working with live power. Okay, so if you remove the back plate here, what you're trying to do, obviously turning the power off, is just loosen up the screws on the electrical plate, and that gives you a bit of a gap at the back, which, if it works well, you'll be able to put that back plate behind it. So the two little screws, don't try and pull them all the way out so that the whole thing comes off. What you're trying to do is trying to give yourself a gap so that for this, the left-hand side will be able to slip under there. And then if I just untighten these a little bit more to give myself a little bit of a gap. Now, it may be that unfortunately you can't do this and you have to take the whole thing off the wall. If you do, don't pull on it, because obviously there's electrical leads behind it which you don't want to disturb, so that when you put the power back on, it works as expected. So as the plastic back plate sits behind and in between the wall and the electrical plate there, you want to slide it in from, in this case, the left hand side, and what that means is that you can push it to the right and hopefully fit the other side under the right hand side. So now I've got it on the left hand side. I'm going to now just try and loosen off this screw on the right hand side to give myself a little bit more of a gap. Now I've actually found in this instance I'm having to remove the screw on the left hand side the whole way. The reason for that is it won't slide to the right enough to go underneath. Now you're at a position where the back plate is behind that electrical plate. It's still a bit loose, so what you have to do is tighten up these screws. So basically you're squeezing that plate between the wall and the electrical face until it's basically tight and it can't move anymore. Now the power is still off because you want to ensure that there are no gaps around this edge here. And in essence, what you're doing is you're putting the hinges of the lid onto the box. Now, like I said, I've put this upside down because I want the lead to come out of the top, but yours, you'll probably have it around the other way. So for me, all you do is just put that into the line there, push it down until you hear a satisfying click, and then that means that that lid there is now hinged. And basically, as long as those two screws are tight against the wall, so making sure that you're still tight in which the plastic isn't moving, then the box, once you put the plugs in, of course, you can close it and the leads can come out at the top. So here what you can see is that if I just move that lead into that hole there, once I click it, it's again another satisfying click, and that is it. That's protected now from any puppies, toddlers, anything else that might want to bite on it. And the reason I've done that is that the leads go up, so that means that they are more out of reach for small little puppies and small little jaws. And now you're done. The plugs are protected. The link for this box is at the bottom. Please do like, please subscribe.